Welcome to Jamaica. This is Kojak Country Lifestyle.
Yeah, hear me? Check out Kojak Country Lifestyle on the YouTube channel. Go check it out right now. Ye my strength. You understand what me I say? Country life, nice, nice, nice. Sweeter than sugar and spice. Nice, nice, nice. Sweeter than sugar and spice. Yo, Star Apple, dip on the go. Raspberry, dip on the go. Yam and banana, dip on the go. Sugar cane, dip on the go. Fresh river water make you look like you are glow. Nice, nice, nice. Check out Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Willie Wilson, big up yourself. Come on, the Joe says so. Boom.
Special welcome again, my fans. Thanks everyone who have subscribed to my channel. You know, a lot of new subscribers. Special welcome. First, I'm showing you nature. You know, I like to uplift my people. Welcome to all of my YouTube family. Because every subscriber, as long as you subscribe, you are part of my family, KCL family. I have to big up a special loyal, very loyal, few loyal fans. Katichin, you have Cecile, Stamina Dan in Texas, you have Stone Breeze in Africa, you have Captain Frenchman in Zambia, you have Myla in St. Elizabeth. You have I have so many people, Marsha Gardner in America, so many. So today I'm doing some corned beef. You ever hear about corned beef? The thin corned beef with some soft yam in Jamaica, Renta yam. See? So you have to take a look at my. Sometimes I just use the word simple. I don't know if it's the right word to use still. But sometimes I look at food and I tell them my fans nice, you know. I tell you say nice, so you get down in all them nice soft yam. OMG. So take a look now. OMG, OMG, my fans. I've just shared out that the soft yam, Renta yam, we call it in Jamaica. It's not the St. Vincent yam. This home. Look at the day first of all. Look how beautiful there. Hey, my fans. I love all of the good, loyal fans. It's about love and unity in this time. We don't love, we are nothing. So let's come together. Big up your brother, your sisters, you know. If you have good nieces and nephew, big them up, you know. If you have alright cousins, big them up, you know, alright. So please take a look now at my soft yam, not my corned beef, my fans. Whoa, sorry, you're not gonna see my face right now. OMG, oh, excellent. It's thy food. Hey, Catty Chin and my fans, just imagine, look at these soft yam. Cecile, Stamina Dan, Stone Breeze in Ghana. All of my fans in America, in Jamaica, in Canada, in Europe, in Asia, Australia, Mexico, South America, Central America. My friend them in Greece, me here in Greece, big up yourself. Oh, my friend Natasha in America, Maggie, big up yourself. Look at this is Jamaica, yam, not the sweet potato. In America, you call sweet potato yam. So imagine now that we are gonna partake in these wonderful soft yam now. So please remember I need to subscribe and share my videos and tell friends and family and loved one about my channel. Big up and happy new month to all of my loyal fans. Kojak said that. Big up King Yellowman, DJ King Yellowman also. Again, I must say thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment. And remember to tell some more friends about my channel and family. See, when you go to church, If you see someone, you just tell them about my channel. If you're in the supermarket, in the mall, wherever on the street, tell them about Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, or what them call it, X, IG, TikTok. Yeah, man. So one love. I'm gonna get down in these yam now. My mouth is watering. I can't take it no more. I'm gonna eat right now. So imagine that just gonna have some food with me too. Big up on yourself, every fan.